Hello, and thank you for your interest in our Microsoft AI for Business video. We are AlfaPeople, an international consultancy company specialized in Microsoft technologies for business, such as Microsoft Dynamics, Power Platform, and Azure. In this video, we will give you an overview of the artificial intelligence technologies that Microsoft is delivering for business. Let's get started looking into the evolution of artificial intelligence. We all know AI is not a new concept. It has been studied for a long time, and it has been adopted by many companies over the last 5 decades or so. Adoption has always been limited by the cost of computational power, making it a technology that only a few could afford. This has changed. With the increasing availability of cloud computing and the decreasing costs of processing, AI is becoming accessible. In addition to being accessible, it has a wide variety of application scenarios with incredible benefits. This combination has led to the ChatGPT phenomenon and the accelerated rhythm of AI adoption that we are seeing now. If we look at the speed at which new technologies are adopted over time, we all know that this is accelerating. For example, the internet took 7 years to reach 100 million users. WhatsApp took around 3. TikTok, just under a year. You can look at in the graphic in the screen. Now, ChatGPT, launched recently, reached 100 million users in 2 months, an impressive milestone. This shows not only interest, but the tremendous impact that this technology is having. People are using ChatGPT in their daily lives, at work, school, and in many other activities. AI has various dimensions. There are several areas of development that are interesting for us in the business world, from machine learning to virtual agents or chatbots, passing through cognitive services such as voice and image recognition and others. As an example, in its interface with users, ChatGPT is a virtual agent. It communicates through natural language. On the other side, there is language processing. ChatGPT interacts with the user, processes the language, uses machine learning and various other artificial intelligence technologies to return intelligent responses. All of these disciplines have applications for businesses. Since we have mentioned business applications, see if you recognize the ones in this slide. You are most likely familiar with this, right? These solutions have been adopted by companies for a long time. Initially, only by large companies, given the high processing power required to run these applications. What has changed lately is that these applications have become much more available, cheaper, and accessible for companies of various sizes. Many of these applications are available through Copilot or other Microsoft technologies so that you can start using them immediately. Speaking of Microsoft technologies for data and artificial intelligence, it's important to stress that there is great focus and dedication of resources, resulting in an impressive flow of release of new technologies, tools, and resources at very affordable prices. In addition, Microsoft also works with the ethics of AI, with dedicated teams to ensure that AI is applied and adopted in the best possible way by companies. We won't go into the details of this chart, but it basically outlines Microsoft's architecture for data processing with artificial intelligence. Here, we want to stress the flexibility that the platform provides. You can use various sources of data with various solutions for data processing, analytics, and AI applied. Solutions can be used as components in various ways to achieve the desired result. In the case of Microsoft Dynamics, it can be both a source of data for artificial intelligence to act on, as well as the recipient of the resulting information after processing data from internal and external sources, facilitating the daily life of users. This results in a cost-effective way to integrate AI into your business process. Well, in case you have not done so yet, you are probably asking yourself how to start your journey with these technologies. AlfaPeople understand that Microsoft AI allows 3 distinct levels of adoption. At the simplest and fastest level, we have ready-to-use AI applications. In this category, we find various copilots from Microsoft. Copilot is a common name that Microsoft developed for its AI-powered assistants available in various applications. Copilots are easy to adopt. Just turn them on and start using the various features they bring. We explore Copilot's functionalities in this series of videos. Please go to our YouTube channel. If you have specific needs, you can also develop customized solutions specific to your process using low-code, no-code solutions on the Power Platform. The Power Platform allows you to develop solutions with little or no code, including applications, data processing solutions, and integration solutions. The Power Platform comes now with a component called AI Builder, which allows you to insert artificial intelligence processing into your solutions. It allows you to create customized solutions quickly and efficiently. If you need something deeper and more complex with specific algorithms for your situation, you can go to advanced coding, Azure services, and customizations via code using AR language available through the platform for advanced artificial intelligence programming. Now, what is Copilot actually? Well, Copilot is an assistant that uses artificial intelligence to process requests made by the user and provide answers or create specific data for use within the context of the application where the user is working. Copilot is available in various Microsoft applications or even on the platform. There is a Copilot within Azure, within each module of Microsoft Dynamics, and within Microsoft 365 apps like Excel, Word, and so on. Please refer to additional videos in this series to learn more about what are the currently available Copilots, the release plans from Microsoft, use cases, and tips and tricks.
This video will introduce each Copilot that Microsoft has made available in recent months. We'll briefly explain each Copilot, and you can also watch a video presentation by scanning the QR code throughout the presentation. Sales Copilot. The Sales Copilot is designed for sales teams. Its main features include accelerating the sales process, integrating with Outlook or Teams, allowing system users to save emails in the leads history, summarize emails, recall meetings, share meeting minutes with participants, and even rely on AI assistants to generate email responses. Additionally, sales teams can analyze opportunities without delving into every detail, as the Copilot can provide a summary of the opportunity or lead. Customer Insights Copilot. The Copilot for Customer Insights allows users to query the database using natural language instead of SQL instructions. For example, if a user wants to understand sales behavior in New York City, they can naturally describe their request, and the system will convert into a database query to filter relevant data. Marketing Copilot. The Marketing Copilot focuses on segmentation and content generation. It helps create marketing content for products or the company itself. Users can describe in natural language what they want to convey, and the Copilot generates multiple versions of communication for selection and additional customization. It also assists in creating market segments based on natural language descriptions without the need to know specific database tables or columns. Customer Service Copilot. For customer service, the Copilot primarily aids in finding solutions for tickets and drafting responses for chats and emails. It can be configured to consider reliable resources of knowledge within the organization or even trusted websites on the internet if desired. Supply Chain Copilot. The Copilot for supply chain focuses mainly on logistics. It can monitor relevant news from specific regions to anticipate disruptions in the supply chain, such as road closures or weather events. It then alerts the user about potential impacts on orders related to suppliers or customers in those regions. Business Central Copilot. In Business Central, the Copilot assists in product registration and promotion. It can interpret product images for categorization and help fill out the product record. It also supports the publication of products on various online platforms, such as Shopify, using information from Business Central. Power Apps Copilot. For Power Apps, the Copilot helps users, especially those undecided on how to start an application. It suggests initial app structures based on natural language descriptions, speeding up the app development process. Power Automate and AI Builder. In Power Automate and AI Builder, the Copilot suggests steps and stages for automation flows. Users describe the intended features and validations of the flow, and the Copilot generates an initial structure for refinement. Power Virtual Agents. For Power Virtual Agents, the Copilot minimizes the time to build chatbot responses. It organizes questions and answers originating from document or web pages into a structured format for the chatbot, reducing manual effort. Power BI Copilot. In Power BI, the Copilot can provide a summary of your dataset and an outline of suggested pages for your report. It is also possible to create a visual that generates a text summary of the data displayed on your report screen. Fabric. For Fabric, the Copilot can quickly interpret data and create Azure OpenAI experiences using a variety of available AI resources, reshaping how everyone accesses, manages, and acts on data with a unified AI-powered platform. GitHub. In GitHub, the Copilot suggests code completions as developers type and transforms natural language prompts into coding suggestions based on the project context and style conventions. It also clarifies developer doubts and supports in creating documentation. Now let's give you a quick demo of the Sales Copilot, exploring its functionalities in Outlook, Teams, and the Sales application. In Outlook, we can monitor received emails. We can select which emails to save in Dynamics to track future interactions. This ensures the email history seamlessly integrates with the customer's opportunity history. The Copilot also optimizes email responses. When you open an email, it summarizes the discussion, allowing for a quick understanding without extensive reading. You can then ask the Copilot for help creating responses or choose from ready-made suggestions. For example, suppose you need to create a proposal. In that case, the Copilot analyzes the email history and CRM data, generating suggestions that can be reviewed, adjusted, and seamlessly added to the email. Moving to Teams, the Sales Copilot excels in meetings. The system transcribes the entire conversation, quotes key phrases, and performs sentiment analysis, visually identifying positive, neutral, and negative tones. After a meeting, you can ask the Copilot to summarize the conversation, highlighting pending items or agreed upon information. This summary can then be sent to participants, streamlining communication and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Using Teams Chat, you can also share Dynamics 365 record data with other users through cards, even updating information if sufficient access rights exists. Now, the Sales Copilot offers additional features within the Sales application. You can assess opportunities and leads, use the Copilot to prepare for future meetings, analyze email exchanges, and provide a summary of the customer's situation. You can also ask the Copilot to summarize specific opportunities. This includes evaluating products in negotiation, key information, estimated value, and closing date. The Copilot even searches the internet for recent news about the customer, keeping you informed. So, whether navigating in Outlook, Teams, or the Sales application, the Sales Copilot is your intelligent assistant, simplifying tasks, enhancing communication, and providing valuable insights to drive your business.